Hello, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm coming to you with a really quick video on how I have found the best way to cut my digital papers to make signatures. So as you can see here, I have a digital paper and I have printed on the back side additional backing paper. Now one of the big things that happens a lot of times is it will not pull directly into the printer, so it gets a little, the border gets a little off. So how annoying it is to cut all four sides. I hate doing it. Got another one here. Not too bad. Borders are pretty close, front and back. So, all right. So what I like to do is I will take and fold it in half, like I will put into the signature. So I want this side on the outside. This is going to be the inside page. And I use my tiny guillotine. Now, what's nice about this is it will actually fit this way to cut the full page, but what I like to do is start with the fold, and I will cut off the white, and I usually cut off a bit of the print just to make sure. I will go to the other side and cut that off, and then finally, because it is a little shorter then to cut the long end, I will go and do that. Like I said, it would fit in there first. Like that. So after I've done cut, I double check that all the white is gone. Now remember, this one was offset a bit, so there is still a bit of white there. So all I'll do is I'll go back and cut a little bit off and see if I've gotten it, and I've got it. So now this signature is completely cut. I didn't have to cut all four sides individually. Annoying, annoying, annoying. So my guillotine, and I'm not sure what yours will do, will actually cut two papers at once. So it makes it even faster to be able to do this. So I do my best to line it up on the fold. Cut that. I will flip it around. And cut that side, and finally cut the long side. All right, so I'll double check that the white is gone on the outside because I can see it, but I make sure that the white is all gone on the inside in all of these, because they are, except for that one a little bit. Now I could probably go take a little bit of ink on that. But there we go. I'll do that one more time. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Take my two. Now I have noticed sometimes, like if you'll see when I do two, it's hard to tell. When I do two, straighten out. Sometimes this white is a little bit bigger on this front one, just ever so slightly. It pulled in a little bit. So I'm going to put that one on top, so I make sure I cut that one, because then I know the back one will catch. Now the difference of cutting just that little bit of hair off when you get down to the final signature is going to be pretty inconsequential in my eyes. Now if you want them all exactly the same, you have to do a little bit more measurements or try to cut them all together, but I find that that is not necessary to do. And then sometimes you get other ones that are, I wonder if I can find that one, that are so off. I don't see that one. I had one that was, the back print was so off. The page is like half inch shorter, but that's okay. That looks all good on that side, and looks good all on that side. So how quickly can you get your pages cut to do a signature? It's kind of crazy. So I have my next signature ready to go with some fall papers. Decided that's going to be my center. I'm going to mix it together with some sunflower pages, and then those bright colored that had fallen. There's the one that I was talking about. For some reason, oh, I got to cut that a little bit. I didn't notice that. This back page was much smaller than normal, so when I had to cut it, See the difference. But again, I'll just be able to center it and be fine with it being a little shorter. And we're just gonna knock that white off. And there we go. That was the one I wanted to do, yeah. All right, so I have, within just a few minutes, you can see the difference in, it was just up on the side. You can see the difference in them is inconsequential, just a little bit. And if you've done signatures, you know that sometimes they get a little bit bigger in the center anyway, and you got to go back and cut them. So, all right, well, that is my helpful hint of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to stick around for future episodes of me doing this journal. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful and creative day.